Funeral went smoothly to an extent. The church did their part. There was a rambe. When it came now to leaders, the governor decided to be the master of ceremony in my constituency, and I'm seated. He came late, not even 10 minutes. I was there for 2 hours. Then he picks the microphone that he wanted to invite me. There was assistant chief there. The area MCA manager was there. Even nominated MCAs were there. This thing, he planned it well, that he wanted to kill people. But God is so good that the people protected themselves. I want to tell the entire country that leadership is not who you are. Leadership is about service to the people. You become very popular and a very strong person when you are serving your people. But beating people and threatening people with money and power will not help anybody. The hospitals will have drugs. Roads should be done. ECD should be there. That is what we are requesting for. Not more, not less.
Nataka kumkumbusha na wale wanataka kuleta vurugo tauni hii. Hii ni Migori County Headquarters ambayo iko chini ya national government na chini ya county government. Mimi ndio gavana Migori County na serikali ya Kenya ambayo inasimamia amani iko imara, na mimi niko imara, na mimi nawaomba maofisa wa serikali muwe waangalifu. Tunajua wanasiasa wale wanaleta uchochezi na wanaleta mambo mabaya hapa Migori County, lakini kama serikali nobody can threaten us, and kama serikali let us or let whoever it is not annoy us.